Why does your money always feel less, even when your income increases? You earn more, you get salary every month, but still, it never feels enough. Most people think the solution is simple: earn more money, and for a while it works. You feel better, you feel secure, but after a few months, you are back to the same situation. The problem is not your income, it's your spending. And the dangerous part is, it doesn't increase suddenly, it grows slowly. A new EMI, more online orders, better lifestyle, small changes that feel normal. Well, this is a part where most people don't understand, and that's how the trap exists. Your expenses grow, but your mind adjusts. What felt expensive now feels normal. And because the salary keeps coming, there is no urgency to stop. You upgrade your phone. It's EMI. You order food more often. You take more subscriptions. Nothing looks wrong. Individually, every expense feels small. But together, they take everything. That's why your income increases, but your life doesn't change because you're not building wealth. You're just upgrading expenses. Wealth is not about earning more. It's about controlling what you keep. Start noticing your spending. Delay what you don't need. And slowly start building assets. Income increases comfort, but control builds wealth. If you don't fix this, nothing changes. Subscribe for real money clarity.